Hello guys, isa ka rin ba sa namumblema sa nahack na account mo sa Facebook? Pinalitan nila yung email mo at pinalitan nila yung cellphone number mo kaya hindi mo ito ma-access. May tuturo ko kung paano ma-recover yung account mo. Hanggat maaari, gamitin mo yung dating gadget na ginagamit mo at location kung saan mo ito dati na-access. At gumawa ng bagong email kasi magagamit mo ito at mag-prepare ng proof of identity kasi kailangan i-prove yung identity kay Facebook. Go to Gmail at saka i-type ang Facebook login identify doon sa search bar. Enter your mobile number kasi pinalitan nila yung number mo kaya search by your email or name instead. Enter your email or full name. Yan, ilagay mo yung account name na gusto mong i-recover. And then select your account. And then select send code via email and then continue. Yan, magpapakita yung I've lost access to my login details. So, tell us how we can reach you. So, kailangan mong provide ng number or email and then confirm it's you. Kailangan mong magbigay ng proof of identity. So, yun, magbigay ka ng email na bago. Dapat hindi mo yun nagamit sa iba. At saka i-upload mo yung proof of identity, yung ID mo. Sa final step, I look out for the email message for the final step to go back to Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more videos like this.